No cap.
Yo, what's going on, Pyros? It's Pyro Michael 19 back again for another video. Today we're going to be demoing off Tidal Wave. It's a 16-shot, 200-gram cake by Black Diamond Fireworks and Pro Fireworks. As you see, love the artwork on the packaging. Reminds me of summer. You guys want to know the performance is on the top right here. If you guys want to pause the video, it's right there. And then here's the tube layout. Pretty decent sized shots on there. So anyways, without further ado, let's get into the demo of Tidal Wave 16-shot 200-gram cake by Black Diamond and Pro Fireworks.
All right, guys, here goes Tidal Wave, a 16-shot by Pro Fireworks. 200-gram Tidal Wave. Woo! Really good piece by Pro Fireworks. Really good bang on that one.